Wow, social naman dito. Ang lahat ng contestants nandiyan lang. Could be like a private investigator. Alright, screw this, I'm just gonna go in. I might get kicked out, but whatever. Haven't noticed yet, I've been filming with a GoPro. Finally!
If you haven't noticed yet, Dwaine's hair.
Yeah, finally! I don't have to go swimming with my phone in the ocean anymore, dude. Take a look at this video.
I don't actually have a GoPro, so all my videos are filmed on this one iPhone.
Yeah, that video, Dave. Did you see that video? What? That's the video I'm talking about.
I'm sleeping. You can't see if my eyes are open or not.
No, I can't tell, man.
Don't see me!
Maayong buntag, Davao! Kini sa Davao, dili sila ng Katagalog. Bisaya lang dire. Kapoy pa ko kaayo, uy! Ato na ta sa hotel. Tulog sa ta. Wow, I can't wait to go to sleep. But let's eat first. Kaon na tabay.
Daghang salamat, Davao.
Wow, dindot si Day magbisaya. Not only am I eating breakfast with Aaron Di Tomaso, Day Hukli, Mommy Shane, and Sylvia, but Miss Universe 2002!
Hello, good morning! Welcome to Davao!
Kani siya nga pinya juice, grabe, lamig kayo siya, as in, sikat ang Davao tungod sa pinya. Grabe, nagahonghong siya kalipayan sa akong kalag. This is literally the best pineapple juice I've had in my life. That's the way, Aaron, mate. Get some of that juice in here, mate. Yes. Yeah, fresh, mate. Proper. Seriously, though, it's sleep time. Sleep, 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 sleep. We have to wake up in what, 4 hours?
But I'm thinking of skipping one. Hello. Skog in the elevator now.
All right, let's do this. Unsa man?
Ay, pwede may magpa-picture.
Oh, sige, sige, pwede. Picture lang ta. Day Hukli! Excited ka ba? Ano? Parang hindi excited.
I drank this juice this morning. It was a bad idea.
Morning. Banggang-bangga si Miss Universe ngayon na.
Hi, so this is my look and I'm all made up.
Wow. Before mag-umpisa yung pageant, mag-fashion show muna sila. Good luck sa inyo, ha? Good luck.
Thank you.
Galingan nyo.
Mic check, one, testing, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, testing, testing, Dwaine, ADD. Oh yeah.
Here we go, Day. You ready, man?
My stomach still hurts. How about you?
It was an awesome day. We rocked it, man. Even when we were sick. Yeah, I know. Even with a sore stomach. Freaking kinilaw. All the Miss Universe contestants came out of the bathroom and everyone went crazy. Totally abandoned the fashion show. Lahat ng contestants nandiyan lang. Alright, screw this, I'm just gonna go in. I might get kicked out, but whatever. Miss Universe Pageant. Miss Honduras.
Hey, how
I'm
are you?
Dwaine. What's your name?
Sirey.
Sirey? Oh, wow.
¿Cuándo con una cartera?
Nina, yo dije la regla de
Miss Argentina. What language do you speak in
Spanish.
Honduras?
Spanish.
Spanish and Argentina.
Español, we're Latinas.
Ah, Español, okay.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Nice.
Can you
My best
understand?
friend, I'm studying English in New York, so she's from Australia.
Oh, cool.
She's like, yeah.
Oh, good stuff. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
it.
Today, how are ya?
Yeah, how are ya?
Miss Russia. Sorry, no sprechen Sie Russian.
Oh, you,
Yeah.
you what?
No sprechen Sie Russian.
Okay.
You understand?
English?
Yeah, yeah, English.
Okay.
That's the only thing I can say in Russian. Miss Hungary, what's your name?
Veronica.
Veronica?
Yeah.
How do you like the Philippines?
I love Philippines. Everybody is very kind here, so I love to be here.
Awesome. Bye. And now we're getting kicked out.
For being here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Miss Universe and Davao Ins and Out chemistry. We are so excited to be in front of all of you special people who have come to share this very special evening with us.